everyone, it's Mona here, Craft Klatch, and today is Friday. That means it is another Coaster Friday. Today we're going to take some resin and make it look like a faux wood piece for a coaster. To make this faux wood coaster, I have this mat that has a wood grain in it. I told you that I was going to get a couple different mats with different patterns in it, and this is one of them. And what I'm going to do is take my ink pad, and I'm going to just go over, excuse my ink pad for falling apart, it's been around a while. And we're going to let this dry. And it's just a black ink pad. For this coaster, we're going 1 ounce. And we are going to use some pigment powders. And we're going to use this copper and this kind of a burnt gold, or antique gold, I guess. And I just want a little bit to tint it, because there's not a lot of resin in there. So now I'm going to take the copper and go across. This is going to be a free form. And I'm going to start to spread this out a little bit. I want to keep the size in mind to be able to fit a glass on it. Then I'll add a little bit more of the copper. And I'm running it through. We'll take our lighter, pop the bubbles, and we'll let that cure a minimum of 12 hours. It's the next morning, the resin has cured, so I'm going to peel it off. You can see the wood grain through it because we had the ink on there. It's got a very fun look. It's perfect size for a coaster. I hope you like it. I can't tell how well it's showing up on camera, but you can see the wood grain in there and it's kind of fun. Here's the back, and you could use the back as the top as well, and you can definitely see the wood grain in there. It's kind of a fun woodsy project and perfect maybe if you have like a cabin or that kind of decor. Be sure to let me know what you think of it down in the comments below. I'm trying to decide which side I like better. I might almost like this side better. I hope you like the faux wood coaster and you give it a try. I will have a link to the mat that I have down in the description below. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will definitely see you next time. Remember, life is too short not to shimmer, so grab your glue gun and your glitter. Stay safe. Bye guys.